Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Dewalt 2-shelf industrial storage rack workstation. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more deals, price glitches, deals like this. We are at the new studio, so let us know how you guys like it. I will be showing you guys around just a little bit. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Just a quick pan. Industrial storage rack workstation. It is 24 inches in depth. We got protect against corrosion, quick assembly, self capacity up to 1,250 pounds, so that's a lot. 1-year warranty. We got DXT24X50 WBC. Deal is the components. We do have some drawers. We do have a pegboard. Alright, some instructions, some sort of catalog, and you do get some hardware. Right, so it looks like we have the drawer right here. Pegboard, pretty nice. Alright, we got the two legs or the two sides. You're gonna grab this, unpackage it, and pretty much just put the screw on, and just make sure you guys match the bottom pieces. They do have the larger rubber, which are the bottom ones, and just align these two. And just put the screw in there, or this bolt, and same thing with the bottom. It's just one brace, and then same thing with the other side. If you have a drill or an impact driver, it just makes it a lot easier, a lot quicker. To suggest you guys get, it does come with the bit, so you guys can use those. And then just again the other side, make sure you guys have braces. Both of the feet down, and then you get the middle brace. You can even tap it with the hammer, right? Or if you have a rubber hammer, I do not have one, so you can use a piece of wood. And then you got the middle braces that go in between the post or and they are the smaller screws. I believe 8 of them come in a package. For the other side. Alright, so just get a flathead and pry these. And you're not through the inside. Hey. Was kind of tricky to put the drawer. You do need 2 people for the drawer. Basically, the top part was just like the bottom part with all the brackets and the 2 screw-ons. Overall, looks pretty sturdy. I wish they would have made these. They could have made them, you know, different. These are just on like that. I mean, there's one in every joint, basically. That's for you to prevent this. If you lift it from here, it's not getting out of place. I wish they could have put some screws there or something. Basically, we ended up taking all this and putting it right here and setting it right here. And then after that, we put it in here. It was just easier. Again, though, you got those clips right there and some at the bottom. This was just assembled from the bottom to the top, bottom down, and just push it down and it falls into place. But other than that, pretty simple. I mean, it's not rocket science. It's just assembled into place. I mean, these bolts did come out, so we had to end up putting those back. They were actually loose out of the box. Now, I did have some parts left over. If you guys look closely, these are to screw up in the wall for the anchors and stuff like that. I didn't use their bit. I used mine, but it does come with the bit. And you got the L wrench there, which I did not use. It had these leftover, I don't know what those are. Chances are probably just, you know how it is, we don't read the manual. That's pretty nice, the Dewalt part here. Looks like it's metal, maybe. Yeah, looks like it's metal. The drawer's pretty nice. Still leave the links down below in the description section of the video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.